everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Curatuer box. I can't wait to dig into this. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Dexter. Willie's the Jack Russell. The white puppy dog is Loki. We're sure happy you're here. We hope you stick around to the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Curatuer is a lifestyle subscription box, which I very much enjoy. It is by Rachel Zoe, and it used to be called Box of Style, and now it's Curatuer, and she turned it into an entire like shopping platform, but she still has her subscription box, and I've loved it forever. You get about $400 worth of product inside, and the price tag is $125 a quarter if you pay for it all at once. Then it turns into about $450, so you get a $50 savings overall. Of course, I'll put my referral information down below because you should get money towards your first box if you use my link. All right, so I don't know why we're looking at Willie's bum here, but he is being bad. All right, so let's dig into this one. When I open it up, here's what I see. And it says the Premier Shopping Membership. And here is the little card that's going to tell us all the fun things that are inside my box. Now, you do get to make customization. So a lot of times there might be 2 different pieces of jewelry you can pick from, or there might be 2 different colored sunglasses, things like that. So let's see what's in my box. And you do customizations probably about a month or 2 before you even get your box. All right, so first up is the first customization, because it's the first thing that I see. Check this out. It is a necklace. It is called the Petite Moments Layered Pearl Necklace, and its retail value is $80. It says, subtle yet statement making, this dual strand necklace lets you try the layered trend in one simple step. Freshwater pearls add a touch of sophistication that's perfect for pairing with cashmere sweaters, button downs, and more. You also had the option to get earrings. They're the Alexandria Huggy. They retailed for $40, and here's what they looked like. I do love that they have customization opportunities, so you can pick the things that resonate the most with you. And she does that in every box. There's always customization opportunities. So let's take a look at this necklace. And sometimes you even have the option, like if you can't live without something and you'd like both of them, there's usually an opportunity to buy it. And if not at the time that you're making your box selections, you can go in afterwards and get it then. All right, let's see here. There we go. There's the necklace. All right, that is super pretty. It's a nice chain. It's not like the cheapy chains, if you know what I mean. It's a very nice chain. I do love a layered look. So I'll try that on in just a moment. That's the first option, the first item. We're off to a good start. Then we have 8 Faces, the Skin Brightener Brilliant Serum with vitamin C powered by Phytoxamy. It says that this retails for $108. I do like trying expensive products through these boxes, let me tell you, because I don't want to pay $108 for it. Step into the season as your brightest and most beautiful self by refreshing your routine with this serum that features an exclusive phytoxome complex. You'll reveal more radiant and resilient skin at the cellular level. And then she does offer discounts off their site, so if you wanted to buy more products from this brand, you could do that. Here's what it looks like. The puppers think everything is for them. Now we have Dexter, who's over there sniffing the treat box. And this is a full-size product. It's 1 full ounce. All right, took a break there to calm everybody down and put on my necklace. This is super pretty. Looks nice with other layers. Very, very pretty. I like that. I like that. All right, next item. This is the NARS Quad Eyeshadow. And it says with a combo of velvet, matte, smooth satin and light catching shimmer finishes, this perfectly portable palette effortlessly takes you from day to night and subtle to dramatic looks thanks to its high impact formula. Creating each one is effortless, and it retails for $36. And I got Singapore. So it came in Taj Mahal and Singapore. So this was also, it looked like a choice item. Let's see what these colors look like. These are pretty. I like that pink, this shimmer. I like all of them. This one, I have to see what that looks like on for a more dramatic look, right? The puppers are all fired up because I just got home and they were in their crates, so I'm not surprised. All right, next up is another choice item. This is the Echo Silk Scarf, and you could pick between two different patterns, Odyssey or Paradise. So I think one was floral and the other one was this, and it was in like a pinky. And then there was this one with the animals. How cool is that? See? That's pretty. I like that. It says, whether in your hair, on your bag, or around your neck, this 100% silk twill scarf is the simplest way to elevate your fall fashion and to add to everything from jeans and cozy cardigans to little black dresses for an instant pop of print and color. So here's the other color. See that? Kind of like a pinky. They have it tied so it would be around your neck. That is really cute. So we can try that quickly here. Okay, I didn't cut the tag off yet, but you could wear it simply like this, or you could turn it so it's in the back, or you could do like the kerchief where you have like the V hanging down this way, kind of like it like that. So that's cute. I like that. All right, we're not done yet. There's one more item in here, and it is a bag. She's pretty good at sending a mix of jewelry, bags, clothing sometimes, accessories. So this one is by Walter Baker, and it is called the Madeline bag. It says petite totes are fall's ultimate accessory, made from soft vegan leather and featuring a removable strap. So you can wear it a multitude of ways. This convertible bag was designed to fit seamlessly into your wardrobe this season and beyond. It retails for $168. Can't remember if I told you about the scarf. It retails for $49. All right, they have this really protected. This is a cute bag. Let's see. Yeah, it retails for $168. Did I say that? $168 is the retail of this one. And she almost always has discount codes. So if you wanted, like if you really like a product from a certain vendor or company, you can go out and shop their site. I'm still getting into this. It has a little magnetic closure. It has the adjustable strap, and it's also detachable. Let's see what else is in here. It has a little pocket. A pretty nice pocket there, like pockets and little sections. And let's see, all of the hardware is covered so that it doesn't scratch or come to you scratched. Okay, so there's the other pocket. Just push that through, and then, see, this is even covered. They have plastic covering everything. Keep that all nice. Then you can just turn it. You could carry it as an arm bag. Let's check out this strap. So it's adjustable. And I think it just goes right on was like making sure there was no hooks on the inside, and there isn't. So it goes right on the same handle hardware here. So it's a nice length. You could do it as a crossbody as well. Or you could take it off and just do it over the arm. It's really nice. Cute little bag. It'd be great for travel too. It's small, compact, and you could easily just throw that into your carry-on. And that's all the pieces. What did you think? The scarf, the bag, the eyeshadow palette, this pretty necklace. Love the necklace, as well as the Faces serum. The 8 Faces serum, I guess it is. This scarf is such a pretty one. I think it would look cute this way too. See, now you can see the pattern a little bit better. Yeah, that's cute. Can't see the necklace now, but you can see the pattern of the scarf. So maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit. That's adorable. All right, so I thought this was a great one. I wear a lot of the jewelry frequently. You'll see it in my outfit of the day, as well as the accessories. The products have always been quite amazing as well. And I use the bags a lot to travel with, because sometimes you don't want to, you want to take something a little bit smaller and compact, at least in my case, or something not as fancy, because you're going to be, traveling and it's going to get kind of potentially roughed up a little bit. So I think this is a nice little perfect, sits inside my little carry-on under the seat bag. I'll put all the information for Curatuer down below in case you'd like to give it a try, including my links. You can get money towards your first box. Let me know what you thought of the pieces, and if you picked any of the others, let me know how you like them. If you got the earrings or the other scarf, let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.